Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So today's video is going to be a rather exciting video. I'm super excited. Today you all get to see my wheel reveal. I've been waiting on this opportunity for a long time, and trust me, it's been bothering me keeping this from you guys. I know a lot of you guys who follow me on social media are like, I want to see the wheels, I want to see the wheels. So today you are going to get to see the wheels. We're going to get the wheels installed, and then we're going to go to some of my little favorite spots, and we're going to kind of do a walk around the car, get some nice glance at the wheels. So I had these wheels sent out to me, so big shout out to the company who sent these wheels out to me. I'm not going to mention just yet who they are, so I'm going to make you watch a little bit, at least a little bit of the video to guys, to build up the suspense for a little bit. The wheels are 18 by 8 with a plus 45 offset, so these wheels are going to look super nice on my car. And I know some of you guys are going to be like, why did you go with that color? Why did you get those wheels, blah blah blah. But long story short, the reason why I got these wheels is, let's just say I have a surprise coming for the car in the future, and it's going to match what I do to the car very well. So that's the reason why I got these wheels. And the wheels, I got the hub centric rings, I got the lug nuts, I got everything I need for the wheels. So I'm going to be getting the wheels put on tomorrow. I'm just going to show you all the reveal of the wheels now, and then we're going to go to the tire shop, get the wheels put on, and then we'll reveal the wheels to you guys. Alright guys, I don't think y'all are ready to see these wheels, so here we go. Let's get to it. I'm excited. I hope y'all are excited to see these wheels also. Alright guys, so here are the wheels. Once again, these are 18 by 8 with a plus 45 offset. I'm so excited to show you guys these wheels. They're freaking awesome looking. Okay. Let me close this box and set these wheels on top of here so I can show you guys the wheels. Alright, here you have it. Here are the new wheels. I think they freaking look awesome. Take a look at them. Alright, so as you can see, I know the lighting is a little dark, but these are the wheels that are gonna be going on the car. You guys will get a better look at these tomorrow when I have sunlight. But yeah, here they are. Big shout out to Vox Wheels for sending these wheels out. I really like these wheels a lot. They're freaking awesome. They're gonna look super sick. They're black. I don't know, I love everything about these wheels. So I'm gonna put the wheel down and try to get a better angle or more lighting for you all. And I'm gonna put it up against the car so you guys can kind of see what these wheels look like next to the car. So like I said, these are 18 by 8. And once again, big shout out to Vox for sending these wheels out. They're 18 by 8 with a plus 45 offset. As you can see, that's the specs right there. 18 by 8 plus 45 offset. Yep, these are the Vox Falco wheels. One of the cool things about this company is I'm the first one in the country to ever have these wheels. This is a brand new line that they just launched. It's a lightweight sport racing wheel. I think the wheel weighs 21.5 pounds or 22 pounds, something like that. So there's a 2 pound difference between the SI wheels and these wheels. These wheels are 2 pounds lighter. So saving 8 pounds off the car. Not that that was a big deal, but they are a lighter wheel, so I was excited about that. Once again, I'm super excited to get these wheels on the car. Big shout out to Vox. These are the Vox Falco wheels. I am the first in the United States to have these wheels on my car. Alright, so here's a better look at the wheels. Like I said, I like how everything looks like it's kind of warped, kind of turning already. And yeah, and one of the things that I tried this out from Chemical Guys. It's their Max Coat Wheel Guard. It's supposed to be kind of like a sealant for the wheel to repel dust and all that stuff, just to make the wheel completely easy to clean. I completely coated the entire wheel. I also did the back side of the wheel. Also, let me be careful with this. So yeah, here's how deep it is. Yeah, the entire wheel is coated. So let me go ahead and stand the wheel up and show y'all what it's going to look like. semi what it's going to look like on the car. So here's kind of a glance at what it's going to look like on the car. I think that's going to look super clean. I like that the wheels aren't gloss or kind of a satin matte black color. Yeah, they look super good. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to keep the stock tires that I have on my SI now, because the tires, they only have you know, less than 6,000 miles on them. So I was like, there's no need for me to go and get some brand new wheels put on them. So I'm gonna go to the tire shop. They're gonna take the tires off the stock wheels and put the tires on here onto the new wheels, throw these bad boys on, and yeah, so I am super excited. If any of y'all have any negative comments to say or nothing nice to say, please don't comment on this video. You know, don't ruin this moment for me. I'm super excited about this, and I'm excited to share it with you all. Yeah, and I'm excited to partner up with this company. So if you guys would like, if you're interested in checking out some of the wheels they have, I'll have the company's website down in the description. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys one last look at what they look like, you know, at nighttime. So I know the lighting's a little dark, but like I said, we're gonna get some really good footage tomorrow when the wheels are getting put on the car. So yeah, that's what the wheels are gonna look like. Yeah, I know the lighting is not the best, but man, I think that's gonna make the car look super good. And just remember, I got this color for a reason. I got a lot of things coming for this car. Let's just say the car is gonna get low, and some other cool things are gonna happen. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So if you guys like these wheels, please leave this video a like. If you're stopping into the channel for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on. We have a lot of big things coming for this car and my channel. So yeah, the next time you're gonna be seeing these wheels, they're gonna be on the car, and we're gonna get some really good footage in the daytime of what these wheels look like. So once again, big shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much, Vox, for sending me these wheels. It's an honor and a pleasure to be the first one in the United States with these wheels. I'm the first ones to have, you know, your new product line, the Vox Falco wheels. So thank you guys so much for sending these wheels out. All right, let's go and get these wheels installed. All right, guys, so the time has come. It is now the next day, and I got all the wheels loaded up, and we are about to head to the wheel shop to get the new wheels put on. Show you guys. This car does not fit wheels very well, so this is what we're working with. We got two in the back of the trunk, and we got two more back here. Got the hub centric rings, and I got the lug nuts I'm gonna use. These are kind of temporary. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like the black on black, but that's what we're gonna go with. All right, guys, so let's get headed down the road, and let's get to the tire shop. I'm so excited. One of my favorite parts of this car is definitely the startup. I think that is so freaking awesome. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys in just a little bit at the tire shop. All right, so we have finally arrived. I cannot wait. Hopefully this doesn't take too long, maybe 30-45 minutes. But here's where we are. We are at Gary's Automotive here in Alabama. So big shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for putting my wheels and tires on. All right, boys, let's get it. All right, so they are just now finished getting the wheels on now, and they're gonna pull the car out for the first time, and we're gonna get to see exactly what it looks like. I'm super stoked. Hopefully all you guys are excited to see this. I'm seeing the car for the first time with the new wheels on, so let's see what it looks like. I want to give a big shout out to Gray's Automotive for hooking these wheels up and getting these tires put on. So appreciate it, man. Thank you guys. We'll see y'all later.
Have a good one, bye.
All right, y'all too. All right, guys, so we had just got to the little spot that I like that has this nice little mural behind us. So this is where I'm going to show you guys what the wheels look like on the car. Now, I know there's not a lot of sunlight in this particular spot because it's shaded right now, but you know, in more videos to come, of course, you'll get to see what the wheels look like in the sun. So let's get to the actual reveal of the wheels and what they look like on the car. So here's what the wheels look like on the car. I think they look pretty good. Step back a little bit, give you guys another angle. That white on black look looks really good. Check that out, looks really good. I'm super stoked on how the wheels came out. Ah, that just looks so good. Take a look at that, that looks really good. Get a nice front view. Here's kind of what it looks like from the side. And then I'll take a step back and we'll walk a couple feet away and show you what it looks like. Here's what the car looks like now. We just got to get the car lowered. Once the car gets lowered, it's freaking game over. It's gonna look so freaking good once the car gets completely lowered. So yeah, that is the wheels. Big shout out to Vox. Thank you guys so much for sending these wheels out. So I'll do one last little walk around of the car. Now I know if there was more sunlight, it would look a lot better, but we're pressing for time. The sun is starting to go down right now as we speak. Man, those look so good. So yeah, once again, big shout out to Vox. Thank you guys so much for sending these wheels out. If you guys like these wheels, please leave it a big thumbs up. And if you're stopping into the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Okay, it's rap packed to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'.